So the battery module is actually on this workstation. It's called battery terminal pole photography. And you just open this door. See, we have like battery cameras. Closer look, we can actually have this battery to take pictures of each terminal pole, because there will be a one mark point in the center of different terminal pole, and then we'll track all the positions of the terminal pole and then share the data to the rest of the two workstations. This is what is the camera is working. Pole 7 and then pole 8, what has the X and then Y, and then track the numbers, the positions of the battery terminal pole, and then transfer the data to the rest of the workstation.